Okay, one last video. I thought this would be something that's useful for everybody. I use it for my computer science class, but I could see it being really applicable probably across any class, maybe especially languages or history. If you make a long Google Doc, there's a really easy way to add in like a table of contents. So this is a long project I have. It's like a unit-long project for my students. And I'm trying to just kind of organize my thoughts as well as organize things for the students. So I have a table of contents in here. So if we click on any of the links, it's going to just pop down to whatever I'm doing at that particular stage. I divided my work up into like maybe 8 stages or so. There's stages, and then in each stage there's different like sub stages, right? Tasks, how to test your tasks, extensions, all that kind of thing. So students can really hop down to each one of these really quickly. Kind of keep track where they're at and figure out what their next task is. So it seems like that might be complicated to make, but it's actually really, really, really easy. All you have to do is, so I made a copy of that same thing. I just deleted all the table of contents and things. All I need to do is go insert, and then, where's the thing at? I need to put in a table of contents. I can decide whether I want the numbers, like the page numbers, or no. I'll go with no. And then all you have to do is go through here. And so I already have this one made, but it'd be pretty easy for you to go through and do this. Change the heading style to apply like heading 1. And then, so that's like my main heading, and then I'm gonna make a subheading, so this will be heading 2. And then I could change how to test your task. That's going to be my other. It's also going to be heading 2. And extensions. Okay, that's also heading 2. And then if I want to get back to, okay, now's the stage. Okay, that's going to be heading 1. And so if I go up to heading 1, actually you can see there's if this thing pops open, there's actually a quick bookmark to this, or a quick like link to this, I guess. I forget what the word is for that hotkey. If you hit Apple Option and 1, it will change the heading to heading 1. Apple Option 2, change it to heading 2. So I can go through here and say that's heading 1, heading 2, heading 2, heading 2. And now, okay, let's go back up to the top. Should have maybe shown this earlier. If we go to where our table of contents is, oh, you know what? I bet we need to have the headings before that. So let's do insert table of contents. Let's do it now. And the table of contents is automatically created based on the headings that you made. Now, if I go down and find some more stuff, I'm going to do stage, there's stage, where are we at? Stage 3 somewhere in here. There's stage 3. I'm going to select stage 3, Apple Option 1, Task, Apple Option 2, Test your task, Apple Option 2, and then what do we have down here? Assessment. And now if we go back up to the top, it's not there. All I need to do is click on this, do the refresh, and it will update to add anything to that table of contents. So it's super easy to make topics and organize them in a table of contents. I can see this being really useful for like an ongoing project, especially when we're doing this kind of remote digital learning. So, okay, that's my last one. Thanks.